My silence. My silence means I am tired of fighting, and now there is nothing left to fight for. My silence means I am tired of explaining my feelings to you, but now I don't have the energy to explain them anymore. My silence means I have adapted to the changes in my life and I don't want to complain. My silence means I am on a self-healing process and I am trying to forget everything I ever wanted from you. My silence means I am just trying to move on gracefully with all my dignity. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also your idea is so important to our side. Otherwise, thank you.